This is Monster RTV.
这次我们这次呀，我们可是做一件很有趣的事哦，你们肯定会喜欢的。
Today we're going to make
小动物
clay animals. Let's go. To make clay animals, we need what?
We need clay.
Clay. Many clay, a lot of clay. And we're gonna use some skewers, stick, or you can also use toothpick. And we're gonna use take a piece of paper. And what are we gonna do with this? Gonna make the body. So look, you take paper and you make a ball. Make a ball. Yeah, tight. We're gonna make a funny tiger, okay? So we're gonna make this square. Why square? Because this is a funny tiger, you will see.
Very cute.
Of course.
I want to make one cute tiger. No?
Okay, we have our square made of foil ready. Now we're going to do another ball. This was gonna be a little bit smaller. We can take another one of these sticks to make the tail. See? You see that? And these ones are the legs. Let me show you. Let me help you aquí. 这个是什么？
尾巴。
尾巴。这个是什么？
头。
头。Head. Yeah. 这个是什么？
这个是一个身体。
身体 the body, head, tail. Okay, now we're gonna open the clay.
Ow.
It's okay.
I can see ow, my hand and my tail.
Oh no, your head is so loose. Now we're going to make the clay flat. Yeah? Now look at this. Now we do the same with the body. Yeah?
好的。
Flatten.
Ow.
How do you say flatten in Chinese?
气，逼平，拉平，一定要压，不要弄对平，就是不要出小孔，出小孔问题可就大了。
Now we're gonna cover the body.
哇，
And now we finish covering the body. Now we're gonna do the tail. I'm going to do the tail. Here we have a little ball. See? We make a little stick.
I think we can do like this. Make normal. And look here.
Okay. And now we're going to make ears. Okay, now with this one, we're gonna make 2 little balls.
The ears.
And we're gonna put the ears. Okay. 1 ear here.
Cute type.
Yeah. How the tigers go?
喵。
Huh?
明白啊，我真服了。我看这就是我的小老虎。
Okay, now what is missing in our tigers?
Feet
No,
and face.
the stripes and the eyes and the nose.
Mouse.
I have an idea, look. White clay. We're going to make the eyes. Okay. So what kind of eyes you want to give to the tiger? Fierce eyes, cute eyes, sleepy eyes. See? Yeah.
我们已经很牛逼。
Look at this.
Así
Yo soy Mr. Tigre. Yo soy el señor Tigre. Tigre is in Spanish. Similar to English, right? Do you like?
Yeah.
Orange is my favorite color. Now we're gonna make it like this. And then look at this. What is this?
Oh,
Tiger stripes. Okay, now we're about to finish putting all the stripes, and to make it like a real tiger, what real tigers have that this tiger doesn't have yet? See if you can guess. I'll show you. Look at this. You take a little bit of white, make a little triangle, and look at this.
teeth.
Teeth. Two dangerous teeth. Look at this.
Wow.
So there we have it. But now I want to add something else very quickly. Look at this. If you put 2 little balls of clay here.
Feet.
You see?
I'm gonna see it.
And then we can paint. These are the paws. And my tiger is done.
You're sleepy, just you're sleepy. I'm not sleepy.
And there you have it.
This is my tiger.
Okay.
你看，这就是我们做的小老虎，搞不搞笑，可不可爱？
And we are done with our tigers. You can see
啊，这还挺可爱的啦。
these tigers look very real. Like they're going to eat us. We hope you like it, you guys. It's very easy to do, and you can do with this technique. You can do any animal you like.
And this have so much fun，有很多乐趣。而这些老虎呀，也是用我们皮泥再包一些这个做成的。这
So
个方法也很简单，所以我们下期见，拜拜。
see you next time.
啊
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.